What's good, BitRushers? My name's Kyler, and this is BitRush Crypto. Today we're going to be doing another price analysis of Bitcoin, as the price did exactly as we predicted in our last video, moved exactly up to the levels I talked about, and we're looking for another key level here we're going to mention in this video. Also, just want to say happy 4th of July to anyone in the United States of America. You know, Bitcoin really is the epitome of independence when it comes to finance. So great day to celebrate Bitcoin is on Independence Day here in the USA. Before we get into the video though, make sure you guys are subbed to the channel, bell to be notified on all future videos. Members only will get you a few extra perks. Find links in the description below for all of my investment projects and sign up bonus links. Pound the thumbs up, and here we go. Okay, so let's take a look at the one-day chart again on Bitcoin here. And if you haven't been following along, I'll just go ahead and recap everything for you. We're going to go ahead and zoom back into the MACD. This is the main indicator I've been watching here to see if we are bullish or bearish as far as my market sentiment. And we've maintained this trend line now coming back up, and we've broken the previous resistance line, which is the key indicator I was kind of looking for us to get above that downward trend and to maintain above this downward line. And we're actually following our nice upward trend almost perfectly. So very good to see, exactly as I'd kind of predicted on that one. Then zooming into the actual price here, guys. And let me just get rid of a couple of these predictions. This was my bullish prediction and this is my bearish prediction. Just kind of line drawings here to illustrate what might happen. Let me get rid of those for you guys here. Okay, so we can see we're still bouncing right here on this upward trend line, which is basically matching the one I put on the MACD there. And so that line as of today is about 35.5. We need to get above that and start holding that as support. If we can get above this line here at 35.5 and, you know, possibly close above that and start a new daily candle tomorrow above this trend line, looking very bullish. And the next basically target for us here, guys, is going to be this 200-day moving average, or that dark blue line, which right now is about 38.7. Okay, so I mentioned that in my Telegram chat group. And if you guys aren't in my Telegram chat group, we have a bunch of really great members in there, and we talk about trading prices and, you know, different coins and airdrops and all kinds of cool stuff. So go ahead and hop in there. It's totally free. But I'd mentioned this in there already, that my new target level here was right there. It's that 200-day moving average. I think we're going to bounce back off that at least once before we get above it. So looking to kind of close out my long position here at about 38,700. Just zooming in a little bit here to the 2-hour chart so you guys can see this as well. We used that line on the 2-hour as a great support and kind of rid up over that and got right back to our trend line here that we've been trying to stay on. We did ride this trend line a little bit, drop below it, and now we're back up. So we're actually looking pretty great here on the 2-hour. Again, we just need to maintain that line. If we can use this line as support, which we have been, and continue to ride it up here, I think we're looking good for the rest of the day and looking to put in some bullish candles for the remainder of the week here. And speaking of the weekly chart, if we zoom out again and look at the week, we are looking bullish on the weekly as well. And the same thing, we're maintaining above that little X on the marks the spot there, guys. If we can maintain above that on every single chart and start to trend up back again here, we need to break back into the 41, but I am bullish here. I'm currently in a long position. Everything's looking good. Not planning on closing that position, as I mentioned, till up around at least 38,000. Zooming back into the 1-hour, guys, the one thing I want to keep an eye on here on this chart is the RSI. We have peaked above here on the RSI, indicating that we have become a little bit too overbought, and you see we did have a slight correction here and we're coming back down. Hopefully we're not going to continue to drop here on this 1-hour, and we'll continue to move up. Looking at the 4-hour RSI, you can see we still have lots of room to go to kind of get back up here and hopefully peak out on that one. And the 1-day as well, looking to get back up here, hopefully around the 53, maybe even the 56 mark on that RSI on the daily chart. If we can break that, then we're really going to the moon, guys. This is where we start to see some really great action. But in the meantime, we'll probably be a little bit choppy. It goes up and down a little bit. And when we're looking at these other charts, like the 1 and 2 hour, we can see we've peaked and kind of come down. The 1 hour is the one, 1 hour one, we've peaked and we've come down, but that doesn't mean we're done here, because on the 4 hour, we haven't peaked out. So just kind of looking at different charts and kind of see where we are on this trade. Still feeling relatively good. As always, guys, if you're looking to trade any of these levels, you can go ahead and sign up using Binance or Bybit if you want to hop on some leverage, and I have tutorials on both of those. I even have a tutorial trading cryptocurrency for beginners, and those should be linked in the description. You guys can get a bunch of bonuses when you sign up using my link, so free crypto is always great, and you also support the channel. So if you guys are looking to get into trading, go ahead and watch those videos and sign up using my links below. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy your day today, spend some time with some friends and family, and if you guys aren't in the USA, you can go ahead and celebrate your independence and buy some Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Make sure you slap a thumbs up on it. If you enjoyed the content, throw it on social media, share with a friend or family member. Happy crypto. Let's keep getting that coin.